What if I told you that by the end of this video, you'll discover a way to reclaim 10 hours of your week? 10 hours you usually spend battling emails, sifting through research, or staring at a blank screen. Sound impossible? Well, buckle up, because today we're talking about something that's about to fundamentally shift how you work, create, and even think. You know that feeling, right? The endless to-do list that never shrinks, the mountain of data to process, the blank cursor blinking mockingly as a deadline looms. You're juggling client demands, keeping up with trends, wishing you had an extra brain. You spend hours wrestling with complex documents, crafting detailed reports, or trying to make sense of bewildering spreadsheets. You're capable, but the sheer volume of mental labor is exhausting. You've probably tried other AI tools. They're good for quick drafts, but for true context, nuance, or multi-step projects, you often hit a wall. You end up having to re-explain, re-prompt, or even redo a lot of the work yourself. It feels like you're almost there, but not quite. You need something that can think with you, not just for you, and handle the heavy lifting. But what if there was an AI that could not only understand your most complex requests, but also reason through them? An AI that truly grasps the subtleties of human language, the context of your entire project, and can even anticipate your next steps. Friends, meet Claude Opus 4.7. This isn't just another language model, it's a paradigm shift. Imagine having a hyper-intelligent, endlessly patient co-pilot that works tirelessly, understanding your intent, your style, and your goals with a depth we've only dreamed of. So what makes Claude Opus 4.7 so revolutionary, especially here in May 2026? First off, its reasoning capabilities are off the charts. Forget basic summarization. Opus 4.7 can analyze an entire quarterly financial report, pull out key trends, identify potential risks, and explain its findings in plain English, even suggesting strategic responses. You could feed it a 500-page legal brief, ask it to highlight all intellectual property precedents from the last decade, and it will not only find them, but also synthesize the arguments. You're not just getting facts, you're getting understanding and analysis. Then there's the truly groundbreaking multimodal intelligence. You can now upload a video of a product demo, architectural blueprints, and a text document outlining client requirements, and Claude Opus 4.7 will understand the relationships between them. Imagine providing it with raw client interview footage, market research data, and a rough script. Opus 4.7 can generate a compelling narrative for your next marketing campaign, complete with suggested visuals, pulling insights directly from the video and data, aligning perfectly with your brand voice. You can literally show it what you mean, and it will grasp the essence. Its context window? Massive. We're talking about feeding it entire books, complete project specifications, or every email from a client thread spanning months. This means you don't have to keep reminding it of past instructions. You can treat it like a long-term project partner, having a complex, evolving conversation about a novel you're writing, and it will remember every character arc, plot twist, and thematic element. Hand it your entire codebase, point out a bug report, and it will identify the culprit. Propose well-reasoned solutions, often with code snippets ready for deployment. For creatives, describe a complex visual concept, upload reference images, and ask Opus 4.7 to generate detailed mood board descriptions, character backstories, or a full narrative arc for a graphic novel. For developers, feed it complex API documentation and ask it to write a specific integration function in Python or Rust, and it will deliver clean, efficient code. It's like having a team of experts at your fingertips, tackling any intellectual challenge. So how do you harness this incredible power today? It's surprisingly intuitive. First, access the Claude Opus 4.7 platform. The link is in the description. Once in, treat it as your ultimate brainstorming partner. Start by feeding it your most challenging tasks. Got research papers? Upload them, asking Claude to identify core arguments. Refine prompts to draft sections of your proposal. Drowning in data? Upload spreadsheets and ask Claude to uncover hidden insights, summarize, or predict trends. Facing writer's block? Describe your desired tone and target audience. Claude Opus 4.7 generates blog posts, social media captions, or email sequences that align with your brand. Coders paste in problem descriptions, code, or error logs. Ask it to refactor, debug, or generate new functions. The key is to treat it as a true collaborator. Provide detailed context, be specific, and iterate. The more information you give, the better its understanding and output. The immediate impact on your productivity and quality of work is staggering. Imagine having an extra 10-15 hours back in your week. Time for high-level strategy, creative ideation, or reclaiming your personal life. You'll find yourself producing higher quality content, making more informed decisions, and tackling projects that previously felt insurmountable. Your reports will be sharper, your code cleaner, and your creative output more inspired. This isn't just about saving time, it's about amplifying your capabilities and elevating your work. So, what are you waiting for? The future of work is here, powered by Claude Opus 4.7. Click the link in the description and try it out for yourself. You won't believe the difference. While you're down there, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on more groundbreaking AI insights. Stay ahead of this curve. Trust me.